Alex feeding. He won't eat the bigger ones. Well, he stopped eating. He actually might take it now. Get him, little rat. Sorry, little rat. Sorry, buddy. It's part of life. It's part of life, baby. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. It's okay. It's okay. Shh, 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 shh. It'll all be over soon. Shh, 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 shh. Sorry, little mouse. Sorry, little buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Stop. Stop. Stop moving. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Here we go. Just ease into it, little buddy. Just ease into it. Afterlife is calling you. It's okay. It's okay. There we go. Good boy, Alex. Good boy. Squeeze him tight. Good boy. There we go, Alex. The hell is this? Is that a roach or a spider? Oh, he's still moving. Get him, Alex. Baby, when this gets on the floor, kill it. Come over here. It's a fucking spider right here at the top. Don't shake the thing, because he might let go of the rat. Oh, damn, that's a... Oh, shit, that nigga flying. Poor Tink Tink. Bye-bye, mousy mouse. Bye-bye, mousy mouse. Where's that? Hopefully Alex's teeth are getting better. Ooh, good shot, Alex. Good shot, lad. Good shot. I might not be able to upload this to my phone, but if it's over a gigabyte, but I can also put it in my laptop, right? So I can do my fights like that too, right? If it's over a gigabyte.
Yeah, how that card to put it in.
SD card, though, right?
The big one.
Go look at my laptop on the front of it. See if that thing is in there. Shit. See if it's. See if it's the same thing though. I think it does. Check it out. I think that's what I ordered when I paid for it, right? I paid for that, didn't I? It does have a hole for the SD card? Okay. So I can just put the SD card from my phone, right? Okay. Sorry, little buddy. It's all over. He had to eat. Good boy, Alex. Go get the other mouse. Get him ready. Prime for his death. Don't dump him in yet. With the Alex. Yeah. He gonna crawl out if you open it. Tish. You gotta pluck him off, blow him back in there. You try to get this blow on him.
Well, good shaking.
Don't shake him out though. Because the motherfuckers will cling on, hop out. I do not have time to be chasing a fucking mouse around this big ass house. I think I spit on my camcorder. Yeah, I think it's over a gigabyte. I think anything over like 5 minutes on this thing is a gigabyte. Because it won't let me upload on the thing. I think the last one I had was like 7 minutes. Put it in my laptop. Can't wait for this championship fight. Uh-oh, hope I ain't disturbed. Alright, baby. Hold on. That was it.